1963 Ford Falcon. And this is not just your regular Falcon. This is a totally redone, beautiful Restomod with some really cool features to it we'll get into here in a minute. But check out this initial walk around. Has a great stance to it, a little lower in the front than the back, little rake, just right. 63 is a sweet body style, especially when you do this to it. Love the hood scoop. These wheels are billet specialties, and they show really nice. Check out this interior, custom leather interior, and it's just absolutely stunning. Everything fits really nice, really solid. Seats are very comfortable. They incorporated the leather into the dash pad. Defrost there. The headliner as well. And you got your speakers back there. I love that they went with a BMW ratchet style shifter, but it fits nicely into the console, doesn't look out of place at all. This is a Ford high performance small block V8 engine and a AOD automatic 4-speed overdrive transmission. Center tack. Love where they put that. I really like these gauges. They're easy to read. 7,178 miles believed to be original since this build was completed. Like the LEDs for the turn indicators. There's your horn. Wipers. Work as expected. It does have vintage air conditioning and heat, and it works very well. Blows nice and cold. This does have a tilt column also, keep that in mind. The tilt is a nice feature to have. Does have LED courtesy lighting. Hard to tell in the video, but when the doors open, you can see the LED lights. That's pretty cool. Does have a retro sound radio. I really like this bottom red header panel they built custom that they put the air vents into and hid all the vintage air equipment really nice, as well as the tack with the nice circular piece there. Very nice craftsmanship. The red matches, you know, the old red interior. Shows really good. Engine is recently tuned up and running excellent. Assuming I can figure out how to open up the hood here, I'll show it to you. Alright, there you have it, folks. Check out this engine bay. Super clean, high performance 302 small block Ford V8 engine. Tuned up and running really nice. Has a dual serpentine belt setup under here. Polished valve covers, polished alternator, polished AC compressor, power steering pump. That is a Borgeson style power steering system. That's the upgraded system. That's what you want. The power steering lines go directly into the steering box. does have manual brakes, but that's okay on this car because master cylinder fits in there a lot nicer, and it is a dual reservoir system. See, the engine wants to go, very responsive. So you can see our AC compressor clutch is spinning there. I'm going to turn the AC off. It's blowing really nice and cold in here right now. AC off. And you can see now that it is not spinning. And there is a lot more room between it, the AC compressor and that hose. It's just the angle of the camera I was at. But you can see it is not spinning anymore, and you can see the dual serpentine belt system there. And also, you have a heavy-duty all-aluminum radiator with dual electric fans and a nice metal shroud. Keeps this thing running really nice and cool. The wiring's done really nice. You have some nice aftermarket bracing done up under the hood here. Whoever built this car, unfortunately we don't know the builder, was really going for a pro touring daily driver. It does have mid-length shorty headers, ceramic coated. Those fit really nice, much better than a long tube. So the engine bay is just absolutely stunning in every way you look at it. Paint and body, absolutely stunning as well. Very nice shade of red they went with. So coming up right on the front here. You know, everything fits really nice, closes really nice. Just stunning. Before I go too far showing you the paint and body, I did want to touch on the suspension. It is coilovers in the front, new tubular A-arms front and lower, disc brakes. Shows really nice on the undercarriage. I'll have pictures of all that suspension and the full undercarriage in the high resolution photo gallery, and you can find that in the link in the description of this video. These are date code 2020 tires. They are 15-inch built specialty wheels. The paint job on this car is just stunning. I mean, it is just above a lot of other classics we see. I mean, look at all the door hardware and everything. Everything must have been completely removed when they painted this. Again, check out this lovely custom interior. I love this trim with the gold. It's also in very nice shape. The arrow pointing forward. This is one very one of none unique Ford Falcons. It's about to hit our showroom here in Denver, Colorado. I'm gonna let you listen to the exhaust here. More gold there in the fuel cap. Also, when you drive this car with the way the windshield is, there's a ton of visibility. It's really easy to sit at, to see out of, and really easy to drive. Very responsive suspension, super tight going around corners. This is one of the most complete Restomod classic car builds I've seen in a very long time. And to be in a 1963 Ford Falcon body, it is really one of none. You just don't see them done up like this. So if you're interested in this car, oh, I did want to show you the rear drum brakes here. It is front disc rear drum. And then it does have a very big rear axle. Looks like a Ford 9-inch to me. That'll hold down some serious power. So again, if you're interested in this 1963 Ford Falcon Restomod, don't hesitate, scroll down, find the link in the description. It'll take you right to our website where you can find the full high-resolution photo gallery. Take a look at those undercarriage pictures so you can see how that suspension's set up. It's really nice stuff under there, especially with the rear axle setup. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate, give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.